So students, now we'll continue with practice set 36. You can open your textbook on page number 60. The fourth question, that is, Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? Okay. So first we'll write the given thing. See children, in the first statement till here, they are telling us that Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age. Means who is elder? Sania. And who is younger? Rakesh. Elder means bigger. Then, by how much is Rakesh less? By 5 years. Okay. So, we have to consider Sania's age something. Okay. So, let's assume, let Sania's age be X years. Okay. Let us assume that Sania's age be X years. Yes. Now if Sania is X year, then what will be Rakesh's age? Yes. Therefore, Rakesh's age will be how much? Or Rakesh's age is how much? X minus 5, because he is smaller than Sania. Yes. So whatever her age will be, there from that minus 5 will be Rakesh. So it will be Rakesh. Here will be how much? X minus 5. Now see, in the next statement, they have told the sum of their ages is 27 years. Yes. So what will you write? Sum of their ages is 27 years. Okay. So now how old are they? Yeah. So what we are going to do? We are going to add these both expressions. The first one is x, and what is other? X plus 5. Sorry, x minus 5 is equals to both of them additions. Yeah, sum of their ages, Sania's age and Rakesh's sum, yeah, is how much? 27. Okay. Now add the like terms. X plus x, 2x minus 5 is equals to 27. Yes. Now 2x keep here and minus 5 take other side. So it will be 27 plus 5. Therefore 2x is equals to how much? 32. Okay. Therefore x keep alone, multiplied by 2, take other side, it will become divide by 2. Therefore both will come in 2's table. Yes, because they are having 2 at units place. Yeah. 2 ones and 2 how much are? 16s are. Therefore x is equals to 16. Yes. Now x is whose age? Sania's age. Did you get Sania's age? Yeah. Then whose age do we want? Yes. Therefore Rakesh's age is equals to, what is that? We have taken x minus 5. Yes. So what is x value? 16. So we will substitute the value. Then it will be 16 minus 5. Yeah. 16 minus 5 will give us 11. So Rakesh's age will be 11. And the last statement will be, therefore Sania's age is 16 years and Rakesh's age is 11 years. So now let's begin with the fifth question, that is, when planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted are greater than the number of Ashoka trees by 60. Okay. If there are altogether 200 trees of these two types, how many jambul trees were planted? Okay. So see, jambul trees are compared with Ashoka trees. Who are in greater number? Jambul trees. By how much? 60. Yes. So we don't have any information about Ashoka tree. So first let us write that let Ashoka tree planted be X. Okay, therefore if it is X, then what will be jambul trees planted? Therefore jambul trees planted is equals to what? They are greater, no, than whom? Ashoka. If Ashoka is X, greater means plus by how much? 60. Yes. Now in next statement they are telling that total is 200. Yes. So total trees planted how much? Yes, 200. Yes, that is. Total means all together addition. So the first type of tree, that is Ashoka, is X and Jambul is X plus 60 equals to 200. Is it? X plus X, 2X plus 60 equals to 200. 2X plus 60 will go other side, that is 200 minus 60, that is 2X is equals to 140. X is equals to 140 upon 2. Therefore X is equals to 70. Yeah. If X is 70 means who is 70? Ashoka tree. Other equation is what? X plus 60. What is that? Now X is what? 70 plus 60 will give us 130. Yes. What is that 130? Trees. Yes. Therefore, what they are asking us, how many jambul trees were planted? Is this expression of jambul trees? Yes. So, the last statement will be, therefore, 130 jambul trees were planted. Question number 6. Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupees notes as she has 50 rupees notes. Altogether she has 2700 rupees. How many 50 rupees notes does she have? See children, she is having 20 rupees note and 50 rupees note. Now what are they telling? She is having twice as many 20 rupees notes as she has 50 rupees. Means this she is having 2 times than 50. Do you know how much 50 rupees note she has? No. So this we will assume as one of the alphabet. And double of this we have to assume this. Suppose this we consider X, then this will be 2X. Did you understand here? So now our first statement will be, what will be our first statement? Yes, that is about 50 rupees. Yes. Let Shubhangi has X notes of 50 rupees. Okay. X note of 50 rupees. Therefore, how much note she will have of 20 rupees? Yes, therefore, she has 2X, that is double, no? Notes of 20 rupees. Did you understand here? Yes. Now, all together, how much amount she is having? 2700 and 2700. Yes. Therefore, what will write? Total amount she has rupees 2700. Yes. Now total means, are we going to add children? Now see, 50 X notes she is having. So how will you write it? 50's X note, that is 50 X. Understood? Total means plus 20's 2X she is having. Yes. So 2X multiplied by 20. Did you understand what I did here? 50's X note. So 50X. Yeah. And 20's 2X note. So 2X into 20 is equals to, total is what? 2700. Yeah. Now you just, what we will do first? Yes, we will multiply this and take. So 50x as it is, plus sign as it is. 2 20s are 40x is equals to 2700. Yes, 50 plus 40, 90x is equals to 2700. X is equals to 2700 upon 90. 0 0. 3 9 ones are 9 threes are, and this 0 you will add here. Therefore x is equals to 30. Now what are they asking? How many 50 rupees note does she has? What we have considered 50 rupee as x, and did we get x only value? Yes, so no need to find about 20 rupees. Understood why? They are asking us how many 50 rupees notes does she has, and we have considered 50 rupees notes. How many? X. And did we get x only answer? Yes. Therefore, last statement will be, therefore Shubhangi has 30 notes of rupees 50 each. So now we'll begin with the last sum of the lesson, that is Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. The total of their scores is 2 less than a double century. How many runs did each of them make? So here we are comparing Virat with Rohit. See, first sentence we will find out how to solve. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. So we know that Virat has done runs 2 times extra than Rohit. But do we know anything about Rohit? No. So we'll assume, let Rohit's runs be x. Yes. Now if Rohit's runs are x, then what will be Virat's runs? Yes. Therefore, runs scored by Virat be 2x. Is it double, no? Twice, no? So 2x. Yeah. Now, in previous 3 sums, total was directly given. Now what they have done, some operations you have to do in total also. Okay. So see, the total of their score is 2 less than double century. Okay. So runs 2 less than double century equals to, double century means how much, children? 1 century means 100. Then double century means 200. Yes. From that 2 runs are less. So will you subtract 2? When you subtract 2, what will be your answer? 198. Yes. So this will be a total. Yes. Their total runs equals to 198. Yes. Now both of them, na? So we will add x of Rohit and 2x of Virat will give us total 198. X plus 2x, 3x is equals to 198. X is equals to 198 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. 1 will go here. So again 3 6 are. Therefore x is equals to 66. Now see what are they asking? How many runs did each of them make? X is one boy. Who is that? Rohit's. Did we get Rohit's answer? That is x is equals to 66. But Virat's is what? 2x. No? Means what? 2 multiplied by x. What is our x? 66. That is nothing but multiplication will give us answer 132. Yes. Therefore, the last statement will be, therefore, Virat scored 132 runs and Rohit scored 66 runs. So, we have completed our lesson, algebraic expressions and operation on them. So I hope you have understood the lesson and written all the practice sets in neat and good handwriting with given notes. So thank you, take care, and solve the sums and practice the sums daily.